Hi everybody. I'm going to make this MA126 Excel training video. I thought it would be easier this way and instead of, trying to walk you through on link or sharing our screen. So I figure I'll just make a little training video. You guys can watch it. If you need to refer back to it to create those MA126 Excel files for PO matching. So you're going to run your MA126, then you're going to go to your print manager, you'll double click, and then you just want to close, and then you'll go to create CSV file. You want to open that up, and then you want to delete A all the way through to the vendor ID. So then when you highlight this, just right click and then delete, and that will delete everything. Then you want to delete lines 2 and 3. You don't need those two lines. Then you want to select not from here but from this point, and you want to scroll over again all the way to the vendor ID and then down. You want to get rid of all of this. And then again, you'll right click and then delete, and then it will ask you how you want to delete it, and just select Shift Cells Left. Then you want to make sure that you select line 1, highlight that, you want to bold and center. Then you want to click on this little box up here, and then if you put your cursor on this line and double click, it opens up everything, so then you can see it better. You want to change the columns to make it smaller so the Excel file is easier to use and look at. So you want to just put in V number and then V name, tab over, and I just put, I enter PO. You can get rid of this, you can get rid of D, so just highlight it, right click, and then you'll delete. I labeled this code, API location, just LOC. You can leave the buyer name, and location. Actually, you're gonna we're gonna hide these because you need the information, but you don't need it when you're matching. So just highlight, again, right click, and just hide. You don't want to delete. Make sure you hide. The invoice number is going to be INV number, and then you can get rid of invoice suffix and the voucher. Again, you'll highlight, right click, and delete. The amount, I just type in AMT, and then I format this with the comma. And then you're going to leave problem text, you're going to leave column M and N, and then you'll highlight O through AJ, and then just simply click delete. Or you can right click and delete, but you just have to click delete on your keyboard. So then what you want to do, again, you're going to select this, you're going to double click again to open it up, and then you can go ahead and hide location, buyer, and buyer name. So you want to hide that. And then after V name, you're going to add a column. So you're going to highlight this, right click, and then you're going to insert, and then just simply type in comment. When I'm working with this document to match invoices, I just make this smaller because then you can then you'll type in your comment. So then what you want to do is you want to highlight the whole entire document by clicking on this little box. Once you do that, then you want to sort, and I have a shortcut for my sort, so you might want to put a shortcut, and I'm not sure where it is, so you'll have to find wherever the sort is. It could be data. Yeah, so you would go to data and then you would use your sort, but again, you can create a shortcut. So you want to sort, and you want to make sure that you check my data has headers, and then you want to sort by problem text. So you want to scroll down, you'll select problem text, and then you'll click OK. Let me do that again. I forgot a step. So it's problem text. Just make sure that the order is Z to A, and then OK. So then you want to highlight DM match. I normally highlight that as yellow. Any of your problems, I would highlight that as orange or whatever. You can highlight it blue. I usually highlight that as orange. I have another problem down here. Normally, if the all group levels comes at the end, I right click, cut, and then up here you want to click, right click, and insert cut cells, so then you can add that one to your problem text. Then what you want to do is you want to highlight not this area. You want to highlight your invoices that you cannot match. There's no receipts. The match unsuccessful missing receipt detail means that some of the lines were received, not all. So again, this is something you're going to have to send to receiving. Well, what you want to do is highlight the rest of your invoices, and this time you are going to sort. You're going to sort. You're going to take out my data as headers because we don't have headers because we chose the specific lines. And then you want to sort by K, your due date. Once you sort by K, you want to sort by oldest to newest. And then click OK. Then what you want to do is highlight your past 30-day invoices. So that would be this group right here. These are all over 30 days past due. I highlight these in green, and then I simply put in the comments, I'll open this up, over 30 days past due. And then you'll just copy and paste because you want to let receiving know that these are 30 days past due. So this will be your working document. You'll put your comments in if you need to. Just make sure that when you save this, you save it as a Excel workbook. Save it as MA126. You could put your company, and then you put as of 6/12/15. That's today. You'll save that to your desktop. I would create a folder and then put these Excel files in there so you can refer back to them if you need to. So you're going to save. I had already done this before and did the whole video, and I had to redo it. So, but you would click yes, you'd save it in that folder, and then there's your working document that you would use for PO matching invoices. So if you have any questions, let me know. Give me a call. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.